Hey guys, Ryan here with Cars Remember When. Got a really cool car for you here. This is a 1964 Chevrolet Corvette C2 generation. And as you can see, it's the coupe body style. Really nice restoration that was done on this. This appears that it was a complete frame off restoration. It's the Corvette Silver Blue paint color. 327, 300 horse, small block engine, 4-speed manual transmission, dark blue bucket console interior, brand new BF Goodrich radial TA tires. Really nice sounding engine, runs strong, starts very nice, good power, clutch 4-speed, shifts really nice. Overall, really fun ride, very smooth. Flip up headlights, wipers.
I think Sean Payton absolutely cannot wait.
Owner's manual. All right, check out this engine bay. Really well restored under here. This is the numbers matching, 300 horsepower, 327 V8 engine. Sorry about that. So 1964 C2 generation. This is the second year. This is the 300 horsepower engine option, and this thing was put back to as close to original as they can get it. Check out all your hoses there and the correct clamps. You got original style alternator there. More original hoses over here. And it is just running fantastic. It's got all the proper shielding for the distributor. '64, I think, is a good looking year with the side vents. And I love the 63 and 64 gauges with the curved needle on the end. That's just way too cool in my opinion. Doors open and close really nice, just like you'd expect on a car this well restored. Gaps are really nice all along the top there. Very nice period correct sound. interested in this 64 Corvette Coupe, please go to our website. That's carsrememberwhen.com. We'll about 80 plus high resolution pictures, including detailed pictures of the undercarriage, so you can see how well restored and clean and neat it is on the underside, just as well as the top. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to give us a call. That's Cars Remember When. Thanks.